So if you're doing this at home, you are going to use a flashlight. And if you are using like an iPhone, I found this incredible thing that I had no idea that if I tap and hold the flashlight, I can change the intensity of my flashlight. I had no idea that was a thing until Diana Soa showed it to me. How cool. Um, the other way to change the intensity of the light is going to be the distance that you're shining your light onto your objects. So imagine that I have my piece of paper and I'm going to lay my objects on top of my paper. So you're going to get some objects. So again, this is just the beginning when we're just experimenting, play with some opaque objects, some translucent objects, lay your hand on there. And then for our purposes, you're going to want to just use probably one beam of light and you're going to flash your paper like that, and then it'll be over. And then you have to turn it off. So I'm going to take my photo paper out of the bag. When I set it down, I want to be sure to fold my bag over so that I don't let any light in. Okay, so I have my photo paper down, emulsion side up. That's the picture side, the shiny side. I'm going to lay my objects on top of my photo paper. Now, those of you who are exposing at home, you're going to use a flashlight. So here, I just lay some objects on top of photo paper, flash it with the flashlight just a few seconds because it's really, really strong, and then you put it in your developer. Now notice your developer, it is kind of brown, but remember, it's made with coffee, so that makes sense. And you'll start to see your image appear. So you will probably not need the full 8 seconds that other people do because your light is probably a lot stronger. But again, this is all experimentation. So just have fun with it and see what happens. Crazy, right? That that's done in somebody's house.